Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by building a safe test bed so you don't disturb others. Put phones on airplane mode, accept your test device, and isolate Wi-Fi. Connect a USB BLE dongle and enable HCI or vendor debug output so you can capture raw frames. Once done, run a scanner and record device MACs, RSSI, advertising intervals and payloads to a timestamped log so you can track patterns. Make sure to note which devices are legitimate versus unknown before moving to active analysis. You now dig into the advertising stream to separate noise from problematic senders. Capture multiple minutes of data and parse flags, local names, UIDs, and manufacturer fields. These reveal device types and intents. Once parsed, look for repeating intervals, identical payloads, and correlated RSSI that indicate a single source. Then apply progressive filters by UUID, name, MAC pattern, or payload signature to isolate the offending advertiser. Make sure to validate filters against known good devices so you avoid false positives. You finish by implementing practical mitigations and continuous monitoring. On endpoints, enable OS privacy protections, block or ignore specific MACs and UUIDs, or enforce user prompts for unsolicited connections. On gateways, create rules to drop or rate limit frequent advertising sources and quarantine unknown devices for inspection. Once deployed, enable persistent logging and alerts for new repetitive advertisers so you detect recurrence. If blocking fails, check capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.